How to connect GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you're going to be able to connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, GoDaddy is one of the most widely used and supported domain registrars, and connecting a domain from GoDaddy to your Lovable AI site is pretty straightforward. So if you follow these steps precisely, you're good to go. So go ahead and follow into your GoDaddy account. And once you're here, make sure that your DNS is a custom DNS in the GoDaddy cPanel. Now, once that is done, you're simply going to come over to Lovable. And once you're in Lovable, you're going to come over to your website that you want to add the custom domain for. So as you can see, here is my website. Now in my website, what I'm going to be doing is I'm simply going to go over to publish, click on custom domains, and here in add existing domain, what you're going to do is you're going to click on connect domain. Do make sure you have the upper pro plan for this, because this will not be able to work on the free plan. And once you're here, simply go ahead and add your GoDaddy domains at and CNAME. And once that is done, you are good to go. So that is how you're going to be connecting GoDaddy's domain to your Lovable AI. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.